Are you looking for a fast way to make copies of your program part? Let's take a look at how version 31 makes this easier using Toolpath patterns. Okay, as you can see, we have a single part programmed with a handful of features. What we want to do is cut this same part multiple times out of a single strip of material. Our first step is to update our stock wizard to add the additional material we'll need for the additional parts. Now that our stock is updated, let's go ahead and create a Toolpath pattern to copy all of our features 4 times in this single piece of material. We'll right-click on our machine setup, we'll go down to additional functions, and then we'll add a Toolpath pattern. Now there are many types of Toolpath patterns for you to choose from, but in our example we're going to use an array. From here we can say the number of copies in each direction and the distance between them. In our example, we're going to set a distance of 2 inches between the part, and we're going to make 4 copies. We'll click OK, and it's just that easy. Using Toolpath patterns, you can copy single features or complete setups fast and easily.